Can chefs design food differently using data? My name is Dr. Laura Kerwin and I'm a European Climate Pact Ambassador for Ireland, and I'm here to tell you, yes, they can. At Nutritics, we've created a digital tool for chefs called Foodprint, which helps them to use data to design their menus differently. Co-funded by the European Commission, we've trained over 164 chefs in person to reformulate their menus. And what we found will surprise you. We found across almost 1,000 recipes that there was a 30% reduction in carbon emissions, and almost 1 in 2 recipes were no longer considered very high carbon. That is shocking. What's even more surprising is they're actually lower in cost and healthier for us, which just answers our question that chefs can design food differently when they have the right tools and data to support them. As a European Climate Pact Ambassador, I understand that small changes can make a massive impact. When we train the chefs to use data in Nutritics to design their menus, they not only thought differently about the food, but they built their menus completely differently. And that's a change we need to see to scale healthy, sustainable menus globally. And what did we learn from all the amazing chefs? The easiest way to make any recipe at home you're making healthier and sustainable is to add in your favourite beans, add in some lentils, try and add in more of your favourite fruits and vegetables. That not only adds lower carbon ingredients to your recipes, it makes it cheaper, it makes it healthier, and it tastes better. What's on your plate affects the planet, and making small changes can have a massive impact. Get in touch with your European Climate Pact Ambassador today to see how you can support your local community move towards a sustainable future.